Hi children, today we are going to learn about towards history. Part 2. In previous class we have seen about towards history part 1. Now we can see part 2. In part 1 topics are Stone Age, nature of human evolution, cultivation. Now we are going to see part 2. Shall we move to the topic? Stone Age. Stone Age is divided into three types: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age. What time period was Paleolithic Age? 10,000 BC years ago. And Mesolithic Age, or we can say Middle Stone Age, before 8000 BCE. Neolithic Age. Neo means new. 10,000 to 4000 BCE year. What is the difference between Mesolithic people and Neolithic people? Neolithic people were farmers. Mesolithic peoples were hunters. I will explain about Paleolithic age. Paleolithic people were tribes and nomads. They moved one place to another place to collect their food. They were hunters and collectors. Mesolithic age. During this period, the climate of the world was getting warmer. This led to the increase in the variety of plants and animals. Mesolithic people learned to hunt in groups and to fish. They also learned domesticated plants and animals. Dog was the first domesticated animal. They became farmers. Most of them lived in rock and caves. Neolithic age. Beginning of agriculture, living in a community was the most important development of this period, but hunting continued to be the main livelihood. Cultivated field, grew crops and lived a settled life. The early man used clothes, torches, tools and weapons. The purpose of using them are given below. First one, to protect themselves from animals. Second one, to find the path at night. Third one, to protect themselves from winter. Next topic is stone wheels. How do we use the wheels today? Today wheels are used in cars, bicycles, trains, wheelchairs, in addition to many more devices. Can you imagine life without wheels? No. Many hundreds of years ago, human beings used to struggle from one place to another place by foot. Later on, they used animals like elephant and bullocks to carry their goods. Early humans often saw round objects roll down the hills easily, which gave them the idea of a wheel. Later on, various changes were made in the use of the wheels. Move to the topic, stone wheels. When the stones roll down the mountains, they acquired round shape. Humans observed them and thus wheel was invented. In the beginning, it was made of stone and later by wood. This was the first scientific invention. Pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. The baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. How was the invention of pottery important? Pottery vessels are useful in cooking, storing or collecting water. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Stone houses were built. The roofs of these houses were thatched with sticks and husks. After these several inventions were made, humans started living in a settled life. Historical period. The period which has written documents are called historical period. What are the benefits of the written document? These documents help us to know about the lifestyle of people, events, food habits, culture, art, architecture and literature, etc. Agriculture was a main important activity in the history of humans. They started cultivating crops. Agriculture was an important activity in the history of humans. They started cultivating crops. They sowed seeds and harvested crops. They found it convenient to live along the river as crops grew well near the river. Burial parts called urns have been excavated in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. 20 lakhs years ago, man walked straight. Around 3 lakhs years ago, he spread all over the earth. He cultivated around 8,000 years ago. Since then, the civilizations started around 300 years ago. At the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. This period was called the Chalcolithic Age. Bronze was produced when copper, zinc, and tin were mixed together. The period when people made tools from an alloy called Bronze Age. After this, humans found iron and started using iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. In this age, household articles, agricultural tools, etc. were made of iron. Metals were alloyed and tools were made. You can collect coins, potsherds, metal objects, etc. Most of these objects are dug out from the ground. Such objects are preserved in the museum. In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikamedu and Keeladi are the sites where the object used by people of the past are excavated. Still, research is going on these sites. Children, if you come across any old traditional objects of historical value, try to collect and save them. 5 types of prehistoric period: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age, Chalcolithic Age, and Iron Age. And before Christ, BC. Before Common Era, and we can say before Common Era, Anno Domini AD, or we can say Common Era. Before the birth of Jesus, it is called as BC, which means before Christ. AD that means years are increasing. BC will be in decreasing the year. AD or CE. The years started with 0, 1, 2, 3 and now it is 2020. Now we are living in 21st century. 21st century will get end in the year 2100. To calculate which century we live in, we need to see the year it ends. Now we are living in Common Era. Numismatics. Study of coins is called numismatics. All types of coins, right from metals to paper, help to learn about the kings and economic conditions of that period. How do we know about the king's rule? We can know the king's rule from inscriptions. The scripts. What are scripts? Scripts inscribed about the king's rule, people or society on rocks and walls are called inscriptions. Usually they are found on temple walls. What are the sources that help us to learn history? All the evidences or traces like artifacts, parts, coins, idols, ornaments, weapons, written documents, etc. are valuable sources to construct history. Have you understood the lesson? Thank you.